In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move mail to different folders in Gmail. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you like to keep your inbox well organized and clutter-free. So, let's dive right in and make your Gmail experience a bit more tidy and efficient. First things first, let's head over to your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, the initial step is to select the email that you'd like to move. This is simple and straightforward. Hover over the email you're interested in, and you'll notice a small checkbox appears just to the left of it. Click that checkbox and your email will be selected. If you need to move multiple emails, you can select as many as you need by checking the appropriate boxes next to each email. This selection process is your starting point for moving emails to different folders, or as Gmail refers to them, labels. Now that you've selected your email, let's move on to the next step, which involves using the Move To icon. After selecting your email, look towards the top of your Gmail interface. You'll find an array of icons. One of these icons looks like a little folder with an arrow on it. That's the Move To icon. Click on this icon to proceed to the next stage of the moving process. Upon clicking the Move To icon, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu showcasing all your currently created labels or folders. Here's where Gmail's labeling system comes into play, which is essentially the same as folders. Each label functions as its own separate folder, allowing you to manage and sort your emails effectively. Take a moment to scan through your label options and decide where you'd like to move your selected email. Once you've found the appropriate label, simply click on it. This action will remove the email from your main inbox and place it neatly under the chosen label, keeping your inbox organized and reducing your main page clutter. Let's summarize real quick. You start by selecting one or more emails you want to move, then you locate and click the Move To icon found in the toolbar at the top. Lastly, the drop-down menu allows you to choose the label or folder where you want your email to reside. And just like that, your email is moved. One additional tip while organizing your emails: consider creating new labels as needed to make future sorting even easier. Remember, a well-organized inbox not only boosts productivity, but also saves you time when you're looking for something specific in the future. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to move emails to different folders in Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your email management skills. Make sure to keep exploring different features in Gmail for even more efficient email practices. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.